This demo will show you how to use progress management boards in SAP Solution Manager 7.2. They can help a manager to quickly see what shall be improved and what is the progress. Progress management boards are part of the Business Process Improvement toolset and can be accessed via the SAP Solution Manager Launchpad. When you enter the Progress Board application, you first need to select one of the pre-configured progress boards. Assuming a progress board for improving the order-to-cash process has already been configured, you can now take a look at the results. The initial screen overview visualizes the current status of all progress key figures relevant for the corresponding business goal, optimizing the order-to-cash process. This is the legend for all possible project phases that are predefined by SAP. Use the filter bar to filter on criteria. For example, you can identify key figures whose business priority is very high. Filters can then be saved or deleted. Next to the due date, you can see the current value and target value, either in the key figure unit or monetary value. You can change the unit via clicking Switch Unit. Let's consider the details of one explicit example. The second key figure, open and overdue customer items for more than 1 day, has passed one phase. The due date is the 31st of December 2017. The target is to minimize the 582 documents to 100 documents, and the priority is high. Now we take a look at the second screen, the details screen. This screen visualizes the current measured value and its progress compared to the defined baseline value in its previous period, as well as its delta to the defined target value. To change the unit of certain key figures, select them. You can select which unit you would like to see and also which reference currency. Let's say we would like to see the monetary value of the key figures in US dollar. You can also switch the display time frame by changing the reference period, which is, for example, last week or last month. Let's see the current data compared to the data from the previous week. Now the display time frame has changed. To gather more information about a specific key figure, in this example the key figure open and overdue customer items for more than 1 day, start the fact sheet view by clicking somewhere in the line of the key figure. This screen visualizes all status and progress information for the selected progress key figure, as well as the responsibles for business and IT assigned. The settings of the progress key figures can be displayed and edited here. Simply click on the button Edit. If you want to go into detailed analysis for this key figure, click the interactive link to jump directly to Business Process Analytics. For further information about how to use Business Process Analytics, refer to the corresponding documentation.